win the election and then the election from Mark Golden, you know? Mighty God. I never see Jamaica under them attack. And then say Andrew Wall is a prime minister.
Just be a green something for their name. Why I be a green? I don't understand.
And pick them out, put them on one side and feed them.
I don't think.
If it have sense, man. You see, when I want every Jamaican to come together and say, listen, whatever this one have put in place, once it's wrong, fight against it because let me tell you something, we'll get one hit at Jamaica, hit at Jamaica, you know.
Get here ready, the man liquid with him like how he win back in third term. He liquid with a $700 million bill a year time.
Yeah, but
get here ready.
Russell come to. But we don't know where having a pipeline next.
Man a go near man a Jamaica. Remember me tell you back, no murder go on a Jamaica. Watch and see what I tell you.
You can't even go left your pot not even for a second when you're cooking.
Fire.
Look at the rice where you go put in a one little pot. You have to go sit down over it till it cook and you make it stick up. You go lock up in the house.
Yes, man. I'm telling you something too. You see, if I even PNP went in there, once somebody do wrong, then wrong.
Wrong.
Same way, brother.
I say
that. Same way, brother.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on there. All of you are supposed to use card. A card machine. Me just figure say.
Yeah, man. Me card.
When you see the first of this month, you can get $100 machine one time again, you know. And $50, 50,000, and you have to go pay two. That means you make two different transactions. That means, guess what, you know, you have to go pay two to them and draw money out of card. One time for 100,000, don't go draw one time less off. So them come and take more money from you now. So you draw 50,000 and push it outside again 50,000, so then get two money now. Then get two money from you now instead of one. So I be a for go on.
But me here say all the housing trust money now a bank you have to go through for getting now, what you?
Me fat, you know, say that going from where they won't go bigger, you know.
I'm saying that I come to needs. I'm saying now, the ID, we got digital ID are coming now, so if you don't accept it, they will lock out your every system, you can't enjoy money.
I be a mashup thing I go on. They say this government can't last out 2 years. They can't last out 2 years. Right. Because everything tie up on them because they consolidated fund dry. And when IMF lend you money, IMF will lend you money for running a budget, you know. I get no lend you money for money for running no budget. So then no money no in the budget. And the NIR them a both spanner, NIR money enough for run a budget, you know. NIR money after disaster.
Yeah.
Look at Andrew face. Andrew face tell it all. You look at the man face. Every time you see the man face, look at it.
So the consolidated fund dry. It dry like chip. That's why the man can't come to parliament. That's why they can't keep parliament.
There's a fear, you know, a sense of fear they look when most let God's people go. You can't feel some fear of blood clot face they look.
Yes, in face tell it all. You know what? The Andrew Wallace in a deep trouble. Look at the man and see.
I see. Time for Jamaica. Go up on the street. We'll go up on the street now and say we'll go protest. Let's come together.
Why we not go up on the street, no brother?
No street. Now go up on the street. Go up myself in a no hot sun.
Let them suffer.
Think not going.
Party wall on the
third term. We want Andrew double down on the food price. Them send them higher.
Put nobody pass street, make police gun them down, brother. Make them stop and see, that's what I'm saying now. You tell something. You see, some country.
We not protest Orias.
No protest, make police go gun you down and beat you.
Make it go on like how it go on Orias.
Make it stop.
God, you can't find
it. At the idea, no man. Whatever go, it will come up.
Yes, man. Go in a fasting and then. Go on fasting, better for you. Your heat better for your body.
Maurice, maybe great as stone and yam make flour. Some man stone like we great I take him make flour. And we are PM, and we do it.
Then look back here, just plant, then look thing back there, backyard.
Yes,
Better you say that now. We agree with you. When you go buy piece of cane, Go buy a piece of cane and cut off the top of it and plant it. Plant 2 cabbage, 2 carrot, go buy 2 pack of carrot seed. Plant it, 2 pack of cabbage, plant it round the back, there's some paper, Irish potato around your back. If you not no yard back, get some jump. And some jump and some of them 5 gallon sitting there and get dirt in it. And get dirt in it, dig you up and store you sitting in it. Between 2 months time and 3 months time, you can yam carrot, you can yam cabbage, you can yam tomato, you can yam everything you have in there. So.
Okay, see them vote for.
What power Marky G have now can fight against this thing with the Prime Minister?
You know, fight against him, man. Making all you me I say, man.
Galang do mado, let him make him do mado, and them say
The
1 p.m.
Orius, you know, let me tell you good Orius. The man campaigned with 2 years straight with him one money. You know, no government money the man has spent, you know. I man his friend the money when he gets down donation, the man campaigned 2 years straight. Sometimes I wonder when he not drop down. Hills and Valley. The man give them the good program, housing program, fooding program, picnic program, sick program, death program. Cripple program. And then vote out the man. What you expect the man to do again always? Tell me the truth now.
Me I want video on my phone, Sydney. When me walk behind the money and come up at the stage tonight and I ball out Marky G, next Prime Minister of Jamaica. And when the man go sit down in the van, me say Marky G say something now. Poor Marky G tired.
Man tired, man.
Talk. When he do say something to me, he say, "Why you talking my nose? I'm out."
Oh God, man.
Tired.
What you expect the man to do again or race, man?
Man,
Talk it true.
rent through one house. When you rent the house, you not get it for yourself. All of them, they sitting there, the security guard now go pay tax, you now pay tax again when they work on overtime.
Hotel worker.
The Supreme Court in Jamaica only good to prosecute the poor. What about the rich then supposed to prosecute?
You know, I hit with the talk about.
Father Louis not gonna be sitting there now. When the man in there where come out, when name Gigi.
Oh, Gigi. Let me tell you something.
Father Louis not gonna be that now.
I don't want Marky G to cry now.
We don't need no governor general.
Father Louis not gonna be that.
Never
say Father Louis in them get that. Remember me tell you now.
I don't see what Patrick Allen do. He not do one thing.
You know, serve a purpose. You know, say, I want family around Jamaica, dictatorship and Andrew and his wife. You know, say, them around Jamaica, them control Jamaica. You know, say that?
Yeah, but remember, you know, his wife should not hold a post as the first lady. What them saying is she should not hold no post in the house.
And that's so much investigation. That a woman that we are not so much investigation. That a go that a girl where everybody thinking we are trying something from this.
You know, say, man hide. The man hide the letter them already. The man hide the letter them already. What the boss, you know?
The woman ugly. If you look at them face, you can't see the
week ago.
I
mean, you talk about orientation. Where you buy your orientation in the parliament? Where you buy that orientation? Kind of want to read out the people them name.
Yes,
orientation. Where buy your parliament on orientation?
You see the man when come out with the list is enrichment and they shoot after him and nearly kill him. You know, see?
Mm-hmm.
You see, they shoot after the man, nearly kill him after him expose Andrew. You know, see, nobody can expose him. The man is going to live. The man is going to go on until I run Jamaica. I put Jamaica on one order. Remember me tell you.
The man can net nothing come here. And he net nothing say him soon come here. Net nothing. The wickedest man in the world. The people, you bomb all the people in place and they make it like a food and you go bomb them so they know if you get no food. Picnic, all that stuff. They say, oh, you know, say the wicked man that in Jamaica. And him can't come to Jamaica.
So the jail, they can't turn on one side a skin them.
Sending a text, they come like a drunk truck.
I think so, what hit Jamaica, better brace back feet.
And the African man. The African man come here, you know.
Devil.
And you tap the African man with Chowie, you tap Choppery, you tap him from come here, you know.
Because the man a lick out against him. Because the man a lick out against him.
As a black African man.
You see the thing is it,
nothing come here.
They must say, you know, he have been a puppet for America, you know. So whatever America tell him to do, if America say, you know, want to try come here, he must say, him can't come because them a dictate to him and tell him what to do.
You've got mail.
You know the things I find one, you know, because them are pumping to do what him are doing, you know, because it's a puppet.
But I'm glad we do it kind of my thief. I don't want to draw down for him, so I'm glad for it to, you know, question nothing, you know. Right? So why man name, why man when he come here, hurry up come here, branch off and come and go and meet with him and tell them, no, me Cuban, them are the fastest, me say Cuban gone to us. And then people look after we eye and look after we.
The economy in a shangle. And them about Jamaica this and Jamaica that. After him fix up Jamaica with Portia left this boy. And them come go like say they do for Jamaica. What they do for Jamaica? What they do? You know do nothing. You know Desmond Mackenzie say they not give the government to PNP. They not give up Jamaica to PNP because they know what they do. But you see God have a way of doing anything and none of we don't bigger than God. You say Desmond Mackenzie film time I come and say ugly.
Yoga.
You say ugly. Sin upon them. People not feel ugly so. I sin upon them. They take tax for your money. Bobby Montague, him sick enough. Me not call no sickness cause sickness of everyone away. But him soon come out. You soon have a by-election cause you have sugar. And it a mash him up body, mash up all him mash it a mash him up body. No healthy like this.
That is good. Thank God. God a work.
Bobby Montague is sick. Bobby Montague is sick. You have sugar and it a mash it
all time people have one word to say when weak man put on strong man take you up.
And look how the man wicked to himself now. You're sick out there way there. And so you get in the yard and try heal. And so you're gone to parliament now, gone to post. What a wicked man that to himself, man.
The man sick.
You should allow one and go and pick me or whatever for you.
Yeah, that me I say, man, go along a yard now, go ease yourself and you and drink and beg God and if you got forgiveness what you do. And say we can live a couple more years, you're gone and stress. You're gone and stress now in a parliament. Yeah? You see what the man wicked to himself, a Satan.
They rather ring out every juice out of the cane like when they put cane in a grinder. They might ring out every dollar out of Jamaican politics before they come out.
You know me born out. You know what me born out to. Some of the PNP them will take money and go switch and go.
No PNP them, man. Them not PNP, me brother.
Me know a couple PNP.
Them they a dog.
PNP from my way, and I ever since them I vote to PNP and just a little money. Then take and switch.
Dog them, man. Them not them. You see
them spend money, you know, to win the election, you know.
Of course.
Hey, Sydney,
dry, man.
You see, I want chocolate park up, 2 chocolate park up with KFC and a little bit of money that, you know.
You know hear what happened to you know, so one brings part down a Malawi Fort. You know, but see it brings down a Malawi Fort. One brings part down there. You know, but see it.
Me have one boy around from the house.
One brings part down there. Right. In election day. Brings.
Me have one boy around from my house at Jamaica. And me say to him, say, boy, on the TV election here, man. And he say, no, sir, we not TV. And then he say, yes, man. And he said to me, say, in that, you know, like him say, he work on a policeman. And Andrew Wellness wife send $500,000 at the man account to run the politics.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that
and the boy a labourer to tell me that.
Then you never know say that's why Kitty dry. Alright, now show you some things I don't lie we are tell. When the man them come in ready and the first parliament keep, the first sitting there keep, swearing and so. Bank of Jamaica, when come out come boast pan NIR. You know nobody not talk about the Kitty yet, you know, and NIR money enough is spend in a economy, you know. If you put on one side for rainy day. Like earthquake and storm also that he did it for, you know. And I hit them a boast pan.
A food tax money they use, you know.
Right. So them not fi boast pan that the kitty dry. Dry.
You don't have to worry about PNP kitty dry, you know, because your man say you're dry too, you know. Don't worry about food kitty we dry, your man say you're dry out, kitty. Kitty you're dry, sugar you're dry out. Sugar, your man say you dry out. Your husband a give you born. Your husband have a young girl. Your husband say you dry out. You're coming like old stove. You dry out.
You see,
You dry out. You dry out. Not the sugar.
No, we should make people.
And yam you up.
Make them intimidate, man. Make them go and do what them are doing.
No, man, that's some mark stay, man. Hey, no trouble,
If you don't want me
man.
talking to Horace, all you have
No
to do is
trouble,
man.
man.
Horace, if you don't want me talking to the program, all you have
Oh, man,
to
no, sir. You don't see what now. You just talk
No trouble,
intelligent.
Mr.
You see
Man.
them, you talk
Don't make
intelligent.
him mad.
Intimidate
Hey,
them. Beat them, and they do. Yeah.
Me want you, Me want you, me say left mark with him and lick out. No say nothing to him, no trouble him.
get off of your son, don't come back.
Ras, me tell you, you wouldn't hear.
Don't come back. Do not come back.
But me tell him, I say no trouble mark and he not
Don't
hear.
want soon, don't come back up here, sir. Me have only for followers. Every day me get followers. Don't come back.
Me tell him, all me I tell him, say, brethren, load the man as some mark turn, not make him vice his head.
Do not
Make him
come back
vice
up
his
here.
head. And he wouldn't hear tell he get fucked them.
Merlin have live what they don't go over there. The labor they have live. Go them man. I know me like with some of the PNP them too. Them too cussy I come out and chat about Damien this and Damien that and Damien and this. They fi go to some of the PNP them fi go to and money have shit.
And they're not PNP, man. I know PNP them there. Me not call them the PNP.
I can't with business in the public about Damien want sitting for a mark. Want take a
And
sit
the
for a
man never
mark.
want that, you know. God, and lie them a tell for the man. Lie them a tell for the man. The man never
Vex until when me a PNP blogger I come out and talk that.
With rice and peas, big up yourself. Enough
Tell the man,
respect.
me tell the man, say, Brett, you left Mark alone when Mark and Vice. Don't fuck with him.
Sugar galang a
Left him.
favorite, no dirty sugar, thinking sugar, dirty sugar when I be a
God, sugar, yes, God, sugar, you're still there. All right, sugar, have a good day here. Have a wonderful rest of morning. Sugar, go and go put on your dress and go catch man. I would go on a 14th Street, sugar, go catch man, cause that number you're good for. Go on a 14th Street, you live in America, go and go catch man. Go on for your 24-hour 9 to 5. Go on, sugar, and leave me alone. Go and go catch your man them out of 14th Street in New York City. Go on, man. Go and go make you $1 or $2 US. Leave me alone.
Sugar laugh. The sugar laugh.
Go on, sugar, go see if you can fight. You have to get one money. Leave me alone.
Mark, you make me dear, Mark. Mark, you make me dear. Mark, we are winner, we no lose. PNP win, Mark G win. And nobody can tell me nothing.
Election, but cannot.
If you don't understand, you know, fucking understand.
You're so right, my comrade. You're so right.
When Mark a Vice out, left him alone. No said not, left you not said good try.
The time will come, my brother. The time will come. Don't worry about Damien Crawford. The time will come. The time will come, my brother.
Damien time yet. Make Mark G stay. Mark G build back PNP party. If Peter finish well low, Portia little more, Portia would have win it and then him get it.
Hey, watch out, man.